pussy won't smoke. Roll up, fucking on your bitch, throw it up. Drinking on the dirty soda. Promise I'ma never go sober.
My mama told me go out here and have fun. Do 4-wheel drive burnouts. I'm about to find the field. Let me put my damn windshield wipers down. She ain't tell me have fun, y'all. I'm lying like shit. She said be safe. My definition of being safe is finding the field. So being a fucking hooligan, I am. Let me put my damn windshield wipers down. Hold up. Let's see if they got the twist. Oh yeah. What's up? What is the deuce? Television gang, man. We back at it again. And hold on. We got snow outside. I can't turn the camera around, but I will be turning around probably when I get into a parking lot or something like that. Putting my seatbelt. We about to go find some black ice. No, that's not a good idea. I gotta go pick my daughter up, so in the meantime, between time, we out here playing. Let me turn the traction off. Now. Turn the traction off now. Yeah. I just almost already broke it, y'all. Definitely about to launch this hoe. I'm gonna find a parking lot to go. What y'all think? How much y'all think she gonna spend? Got her idled up to 15. Still swimming. Oh. Come on, dog. What the fuck? Go. Field could I go to? We'll figure that out. Say I won't climb this fucking hill. I'm just on some goofy shit right now. Fuck. We good. Yeah, you could. Should I go driver? Should I? Where my mounts at? Ugh. Damn, I don't don't got the piece. Ah! Oh, I could put my... Damn, I don't even got my Insta 360. Damn it. Thought you had a friend. I got so much shit in my car. I probably could find it, but I ain't going through that. So it ain't even really no snow out here, but I'm still gonna put my phone down and have some fun. It ain't shit out here yet, though. Oh, it's wet though. It is wet. I got this. This about to be y'all holder. I'm about to go far as I can out, cause I only got one position. So far, so good. Big goofy bitch riding like a cloud out here. Oh shit. I hit the motherfucking limiter. We're gonna hit a little stump right here, y'all. Fuck that. Since ain't nobody behind me. Look. It spin for a little second. Purpose. I'm waiting for them to go past. I hope nobody ain't behind me. I did that shit on purpose. We sliding up the hill, y'all. Ooh. A little fun. Why the fuck did I just... It said just park in front of your mom. I'm playing in the snow, y'all. This shit. Yeah, cool. We got her in full low. This motherfucker clunking in every gear. Doom, doom, doom. Sorry. Turn the AC down. Wait till I get down this hill. Should I hit it? For low for the win. Should I hit it? I was driving it at full low just a second ago, playing around and shit. This the DC snow, y'all. Y'all know we don't get snow like that, but shit. Oh, we lose the traction. Oh, I got the traction on. My dumb ass. What a fucking dummy. Damn, my windshield wiper loud and shit. They crashed into each other. God damn. Everybody. I might be out here helping people soon. They don't know when to get the fuck out the way. Like, move over. Let the big trucks through. I ain't stopping. You see this shit. I'm going around all you motherfuckers. Was that petty? They roll the window down a little bit so y'all can hear this slim Hemi. Ooh. Y'all ain't just see that. Be careful out here, guys. Even though if you got a 4-wheel drive car, these motherfuckers is sliding. I'm putting it back in full low. Motherfucker plow driving through this motherfucking snow. It's 4 low. Keep it in 3. I'm gonna break something. I'm gonna fucking break something. Let me stop before I do be stuck out here. Wow, lights, I ain't stopping at y'all. Go see my mama. Mama! I'm out here having too much fun, y'all. 4 low for the win. Not on the hill. Oh, I forgot I got the hill descent. That's all right. Ooh, y'all heard that? Uh-oh. We sliding. Man, we about to go down this hill. About to throw that hill descent on. Fuck that. Damn, that's crazy. This is when they first started to fucking shovel the ground. That's wild as shit. Let's see what this hill descent on. Shit, I got the shit. Why not use it? Hey, yeah! Motherfucking bus stuck! Come on, Metro! Damn, I can't even turn down here. That's crazy. Shit, crazy. Ooh. I can just feel this bitch. We just riding. That's high.